In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your premium subscription on MyFitnessPal. Whether you're transitioning to a different fitness app or just taking a break, knowing how to manage your subscriptions effectively can save you both money and hassle. Let's get started with this easy to follow tutorial. First, you'll want to navigate to the MyFitnessPal website using your favorite browser. Once you're at the home page, you will need to either sign up or log into your existing account. If you're already a MyFitnessPal user, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new or haven't set up an account before, just follow the sign up instructions to get started. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the settings icon. It's often represented by a small gear or wrench symbol. Clicking on this will open up a submenu of options for your account settings. Within the settings menu, start looking for an option labeled subscription settings. This particular option is crucial because it contains all of the details of your current subscriptions, including your premium plan. If you're having trouble finding it right away, don't worry, ensure you're scrolling through the account settings until you come across it. After locating the subscription settings, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page dedicated entirely to subscription management. Here you'll see details about your active subscriptions. Although I'm currently not subscribed to MyFitnessPal Premium, this is where you would find the option to manage any subscriptions you may have with them. Now, what you're looking for next is the cancel option for your current premium subscription. Again, even though I don't have a subscription running at this moment, you should spot the cancel button prominently on the subscription management page. Once you've found it, click on it. Clicking cancel isn't quite the end of the process. You will need to follow any on-screen prompts that MyFitnessPal provides. They're there to ensure that your decision to cancel is final and will likely ask you to confirm your intent to cancel your premium plan. Make sure you proceed through these steps thoroughly to complete the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your premium subscription on MyFitnessPal. Whether your needs have changed or you're trying something new, managing your subscriptions is a useful skill that ensures you stay in control of your expenses. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks that simplify your digital life.